And the last demo we have to make now is going to be our kiosk mode we have baked in. Boot to grub, select base boot options, and then go down to lockdown or admin. These are our kiosk modes. So we'll boot up to admin mode first. And same thing. Make sure we got stuff going on each display. Now this should launch into restricted launcher instead, which is a lockdown mode launcher. And from here we'll be able to set a password. We can hide this bar. And set up our options. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to security. We want recents to be available. We want notifications to be available. Oh, let me show you without those actually. So we'll just let power menu be available. So you see the buttons down there. We'll come over here and lock the device, and now we don't have recents available, as you can see. No apps available either. So we'll go back in here, apps, add some whitelisted apps. We'll give it Aurora Store, browser, calculator, clock, file manager, gallery. And that's it for now. That way, when we come back here, we now see these as whitelisted apps options. You can't load anything else, so notice no home button on the start bar or on the nav bar anymore, but you can just use these. Now as soon as you unlock it, you will have access to your recents and then all the apps again. Now, what this does for multi-screen, it allows you to shove two apps onto different displays. So we can mirror the same app onto display number 2, or we can set a different app to load per display. So on display 1, we'll simulate a POS with the calculator, and we'll say this is your payment portal, clock 2. So come over here, and now we can lock it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it should auto start each app per display in full screen mode. And that's how kiosk mode works. So every time you boot, it'll display an app per display.